Let's talk about how birds of a feather flock together can be used to supersize and grow and build your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our relationship-related idiom today is birds of a feather flock together. Now, this is one of those idioms that's been around in English since 1545 when William Turner used it in his work, The Rescuing of the Romish Fox. He said something to the effect of birds of on kind and color flock and always and fly always together. So that was again turned and shortened to birds of a feather flock together, or often we'll just hear birds of a feather, which means that we fill in the blank with the rest of the sentence. I think it's called onomatopoeia or something. Anyway, I forget. But so William Turner gets credit with, but it was actually used in the book of Ecclesiastes in 180 to 175 BC. So it's been around for hundreds and hundreds and actually thousands of years, meaning it impacts a lot of us. Now, we human beings, what does this mean? Human beings, typically human beings, beings of similar type, similar interests, similar personality or character or distinctive attributes, we tend to come together. We are social beings. The vast majority of human beings, and not everyone, of course, but the vast majority of us like to associate with people we have something in common with. We trust people that have similar experiences to us. We trust people that have similar attributes, similar education, similar ideas, similar beliefs to us, and we tend to come together. So it's imperative that our businesses identify who it is we're for, who it is that we want to reach, who it is we provide products and services for. And one of the biggest mistakes every single business owner goes through, unless they have a certain passion for the group of people that they're serving, or until they come up with the passion for the group of people that they're serving, we think our business and our products and services are for everyone. And although a lot of products and services in the world could benefit everyone and everyone could use them, think of water, right? Water, everybody needs water. But is everybody going to buy your $10 a bottle of water? No, it's only for a certain group of people. So like attracts like, I think we know that. Also, opposites attract, but let's focus on the like attracts like today. People are wanting to belong to something. We tie our identity to the ideas, the beliefs, the organizations, the businesses we work for or are building. We tie our identity to those. So how do we go about making sure that we're creating that culture in our environment that people want to be a part of? That culture and that environment and that entity in the world that people want to associate with by buying and using our products and services. Well, we create the culture that we want by being open and honest about what are our beliefs, what are our personality traits, who the heck are we for, who are our products and services for, and also we can call out and say who they're not for. Not everybody wants a $10 bottle of water, so if you don't want a $10 bottle of water, Elite Water Company is not for you. But for those who do want that special, sparkling, pH-balanced water, and $10 a bottle of water is just a pittance compared to the benefits you'll get in your life, then we are for you. And so we're calling out and communicating on a regular basis with the people that we're for and identifying those that we're not for. And we can do that in a lot of fun and creative ways. So today, I would love to know, have you used or have you heard birds of a feather flock together? I've heard it my entire life, and different organizations and different things we're a part of. I don't know that I've said, hey, let's birds of a feather flock together and figure out how we're going to supersize and grow our business. I would say, as a matter of fact, I've never said that with respect to business, but we see examples of it all over in our life. Why are people so, let's say, venomous about their political beliefs? Because it's our different political beliefs has created groups that people can identify with, not codes of conduct, but let's go beliefs and ideologies. And notice that even over time, those ideologies, at least in America, have flip-flopped, and what different political parties stand for have changed over time, and their agendas change over time, but large groups of people continue to congregate and believe the same things that they do, which brings them together in highly emotional, highly charged ways that may or may not result in the desired behavior and the creation of the country that we want. I'm getting off topic, but I think that's a good example. Our churches, we congregate in churches based on our similar or mosques or whatever they're called in your religion, based on our beliefs about higher powers, beings, gods, Allah, etc. People want to belong to something. So if you can give them something to believe in, something to belong to, it works in your favor to supersize and grow your business. So share in the comments below your experience with birds of a feather flock together, or creating a culture in your environment, a cult-like following. I hate that. I learned that from Russell Brunson and the gang, but it works, and it's hard to argue with what works. All right, have an awesome day. I'll be with you tomorrow with another relationship-related idiom for the month of June. Have an awesome Monday.